Weather forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Monday and happy start to the work week. It was a busy morning for some. We were tracking isolated or widespread showers, and now they're kind of more scattered in nature, but definitely still tracking some storms that are actually producing lightning at this point in time. But there are no current watches or warnings anywhere across the state line. We'll zoom in and take a closer look. So south of the Mount Morris and Davis Junction area, north of the Amboy area, we are seeing a storm producing some lightning. We're also watching the one that's just south of Clinton, also producing some lightning, and then also some gusty winds and heavy rains. There's also a storm that's popping up just north of the Freeport area and then kind of along the Genoa area as well. So those are the scattered showers and storms that we're tracking currently. We did pick up some decent rainfall totals this morning as well, and the Storm Prediction Center actually did upgrade those areas that are seeing those storms to a marginal. That's still a lower level risk, but smaller hail and then gusty winds. Those are two things to look out for tonight. Also downpours and then obviously lightning, but those both come with what we see when we see thunderstorms out there. But there was some breaks in that cloud coverage. We did see some sunshine. Now that's really no longer the case. Lots of cloud cover is kind of back in Rochelle, downtown Rockford, also looking at the northeast side of Rockford, and then also up in Beloit. So lots of cloud coverage pretty much everywhere across the state line at this point, along our SkyTrack cameras as well. We're seeing some rain though still move in. This is all totals from what we saw after midnight. So Galena's actually checking into the most. They're over ½ an inch of rain. Janesville's checking in with the least, only 3/100 of an inch of rain there. And then in Rockford, Freeport, Monroe, we're sitting right around 1/4 of an inch of rainfall from today's system. These are all showers that are popping up along and ahead of a cold front that's moving in, dropping our temperatures towards Galena and Monroe. They're only checking into the lower 70s right now, opposed to us in Rockford. And then Sterling, we're in the upper 70s here. DeKalb's checking into 76, and then the current temperature in Freeport 74. But it's very muggy out there. Also, we have dew points that are still climbing in some areas. 69s, that's the current dew point in Freeport, 66 in Rockford, and then 62 in Monroe. So everyone across the state line is checking into dew points in the 60s. It's very muggy out there. We also had some visibility restrictions this morning and earlier this afternoon just because of that rain moving in. But the rain's going to continue over the next couple of hours. So if you are heading out, definitely have the rain gear handy. We're tracking showers and storms kind of along where the Storm Prediction Center was targeting that marginal lower level risk throughout the next couple of hours. They are going to be widespread kind of along interstates and then south of here, so along I-88, kind of that area a little north of there, and then places south of there. That's where we're tracking those storms and showers for the remainder of the day. We will see breaks in the clouds not until we head for sunrise tomorrow though. Tomorrow's looking good. It's going to shape up beautiful. Blue is going to return to our skies, so that sunshine going to be in full blast tomorrow. Wednesday is a different story, so get out tomorrow if you can. We do turn to more rain showers again heading into Wednesday morning through the majority of the morning and the afternoon before we finally see that move out as well. Here's Weather Watcher Bob's report for on the northeast or the southeast side of Rockford. 76 degrees, a dew point of 65, and he did measure 3/10 of an inch of rain, or just a little bit over that. Winds though this afternoon have remained about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Slightly stronger than that though in Janesville, Monroe, and Galena, more towards 15 miles per hour there, but they're really not going to be that big of a deal. So we'll head down to 55 tonight. Showers early. Clouds are going to decrease towards sunrise. Tomorrow's high 76, mostly sunny, but it is going to be a nice day. Temperatures kind of fluctuate a little bit. They are going to stay consistent over the next couple of days before they do rise once again to